Let's see how we can use Desmos Online graphing calculator to graph these inequalities. It's y is less than negative 2x plus 4. You see, it graph it nicely for you here. So it's less than, so it bubbles below, and it's a negative slope. So we see it's going down. And then the inequality was less than or equal, so it's using a solid line here. Let's look at the second one. Y, you can pick this one here. Y is a quarter x plus 1. So here too, realize that it's a positive slope, so it's going up, and it's less than, so we bubble downstairs here, and it intersects at 1, so plus 1. And here, just since it's less than, it's just a dashed line. So look at the next one. Y is greater than x plus 3. Okay, so here too we have a positive slope, so it's up the hill. It cuts, it crosses the y-axis at 3, and that's what we have it here. You see here, since it's a broken line, when I put it in there, it's not popping up because the point on the line is not included, and it's greater than, so we bubbled, or we shaded it up, negative x plus 4. Okay, so here to realize that the slope is negative 1, so it's going down the hill. The y-intercept is plus 4, so here plus 4, you see, here is a solid line. When I put the cursor over there, we see that because the point of the solution, and we are using less than or equals to, so less than or equals to, we bubble below, and you have shaded here. So this is how you can use a Desmos to graph inequalities. Thank you, and see you in the next video.